Hello and welcome back. In this short video, we will solve this question 49 square minus 47 square in a very quick time. So if you know the formula a square minus b square from algebra, which is a plus b in bracket multiplied by a minus b. If you know this formula, then this question becomes very easy. You don't have to find the square of 49 and then find the square of 47 and subtract it. All we have to do is to apply this formula and consider 49 as A and 47 as B. So we can write 49 plus 47 and then in bracket 49 minus 47. 49 plus 47 is 96 and 49 minus 47 is 2. And multiplying 49 by 6 we get 192, and that is our answer. Thank you.